2014, the 43.3-kilometer-long Rhino Arc Eburu electrified fence has played a critical role in resolving human-wildlife conflict, protecting farmers on one hand and boosting forest conservation on the other. The Forestry Department now says 85% of the forest cover has been recovered. Our reporter Willie Dennis Njiru has an insight on this success story.
Implementation of conservation curricula in 32 Eburu forest adjacent primary and secondary schools has been ongoing since January 2014. Ultimate goal of the intervention being to cultivate positive behavior change among the young generation towards the protection and sustainable management of Eburu forests.
This school for a long time had been very bare. It was very brown, there was no tree cover, but with the Wildlife and the Environmental Club, we've been able to plant the trees, as you can see around.
During planting season, we can source the seedlings from the schools and community. We buy seedlings from schools and communities.
The Eburu Forest electric fence plays a critical role in maintaining ecosystem integrity. The electrified game-proof fence offers practical and effective solutions to the dual challenge of protecting wildlife and forest from destruction on one hand, keeping the adjacent highly productive farmland safe from marauding wildlife on the other.
Since the fence was erected, the conflict between the community and the wildlife, it is now the thing of the past, because currently, if you can go through the adjacent forest community, you can find that they are growing their food crops.
Na pia mifugo wanaifuga bila shida, manake ukiangalia kama hapa karibu naona huyu mnyama kuna hii kondoo. Beleni hawangefuga mnyama karibu, manake shui walikuwa wanakuja wanakula.
Kwa mashamba zetu siku hizi tunalima na tunapata kila kitu katika mashamba. Na hii fence inatusaidia mpaka wanyama walikuwa wanatoka ndani wanaingia kwa community kutukulia mashamba.
Farmers in Eburu remain foreign ahead in adopting alternative domestic energy sources that reduce pressure on forest resources. The uptake of biogas in particular has been a highlight of this trend, with biogas units getting installed by farmers within the Eburu ecosystem.
Kama mimi sasa nikiwa Paul, nikuwa mchomaji wa makaa. Kile kitu sijaifanya ndani ya forest ni kuida. Lakini mambo ya kuchoma makaa mimi nikuwa mchomaji wa makaa mmoja.
Conservation education program to 46 schools adjacent to the southwestern Mau forest ecosystem kicked off with an aim to equip pupils with the relevant knowledge, encourage and empower them to be proactive in the practice of environmental conservation in their daily lives by the Kenya Forest Department.
Shule yetu inakaribiana na misitu kadhaa ambayo ni mingi, mkiangalia mnaweza kuitazama na muione. Tunapokuza seedlings, tunapata kupatiana ili ziweze kupandwa, ili kupata kuongezea miti na kuweza kutunza mazingira vyema.
The tree nursery we are beginning is the one that we intend to become an income generating activity which is going to assist our students.
That is part of encouraging them to plant trees and to take care of environment.
Reporting for TV 47 from Mau Eburu in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njiru.